Hi, welcome back to our Intro to Women's Self-Defense Technique curriculum videos. I want to encourage you guys as you look at these videos to take a proper perspective as to what these videos are. Since you're not here with us training at our seminar, these videos are going to act as a solo training platform for you to be able to learn at home the techniques that we are learning here. Likewise, if you learn these techniques here at the seminar, but then you forgot them or you want to review them and get better at them, these videos will act as a way to help renew your knowledge on these techniques so that you don't forget them and you know what you are training. Again, this is a solo training platform so that you will be given techniques and methodologies to practice your techniques, to improve upon them, to know that you're doing them well, so that even if this is all that you have in terms of your self-defense combative arsenal, you do have a solid grasp on how to use what we have here to defend yourself. Likewise, this is a solo training platform, but it's something that can easily build into a partners drill so that you can train others or even teach others these same techniques. Don't hold on to this information for yourself, but do use it for yourself and then take what you've learned for yourself and share it with others. Kind of like the gospel. Don't keep it to yourself. It's meant to go out to other people. In the same way, stay safe, train hard, and help others be safe as well. All right, next video.